All right, welcome to part 3 of Turn the Lights Back On by Billy Joel. This tutorial will cover the 16-measure chorus, which will repeat one time. I've also included the 4-measure interlude at the end, which is very similar to the intro. And remember, every video tutorial uses easy read sheet music, so you can enjoy learning new songs without having to figure out each note one at a time. Okay, here's today's tutorial. Well, that's it for today's tutorial. I'm Andrew, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more great piano videos using on-screen, easy-read sheet music. Have a great day.